Python is widely used high-level programming language. This programming language has been gaining popularity and it's considered as one of the most popular and flexible server-side programming language. To write and execute code in Python, first you need to install on your system. Installing Python on Windows takes a few easy steps. Let's get started. Open your favorite web browser. In Google search box, enter text Python and go to the first link. In the official site of Python, www.python.org. Move to the download menu, then you can see the latest Python version, Python 3.10.6 for Windows. You can directly download on it by click the button or move on the Windows section. You can see all the available version of Python list from here. Select the version required and click on download. Here I would like to download latest Python version 3.10.6 Windows 64-bit installer. By click the download button, download has been started and it will take few seconds. Run the Python installer Python 3.10.6 amd64.exe once downloaded. This pop-up window will be appeared. By clicking installation now, everything that is requested to launch Python will be installed as a given directory. But if you want to save the installation file in the different location or others customization, then click Customize Installation. Here, I'd like to install it by Customize Installation. Ensure that both checkbox Install Launch for all user recommended and Add Python 3.10 to path are checked. Required for Add Python 3.10 to path is that Python 3.10 install folder location will be set as a system environment path variable. If you check Edit the system environment variable and click the button System Variables, and under the system variable click Path to edit. You can see there is no Python 3.10 installed folder location in here. But after install Python 3.10, all install path will be automatically set in here. Now click Customize Installation. Next, in the optional features, make sure everything like documentation, pip, IDLE and Python test suite should be checked. Click the next. In this advanced options, check Install for all user and other checkbox you can customize. The path that is showing in the Customize Installation location, here Python 3.10 will be installed. You can change this location by clicking the Browse button, but I'd like to keep it same. Now click Install button. A new Python 3.10.6 64-bit setup pop-up window will be appeared with a setup progress message and progress bar. During installation, it will show the various component it is installed and move to the progress bar toward completion. Soon, a new Python 3.10.6 64-bit setup pop-up window will be appear with a setup was successfully message. Click the close button Python should now be installed. You can check the Python 3.10.6 installation folder directory is C drive, program files, Python 3.10. Also, you can check the system environment variable path, C drive, programs file, Python 3.10 script, and C drive, programs file, Python 3.10 has been added. You can check the Python 3.10 documentation from here. You can see Python 3.10 64-bit and IDLE. Let's open IDLE, which is short form for the Integrated Development Environment, and run a simple print statement. As you can see, we have successfully printed Hello World in Python shell. Using the Python shell, you can write online code and execute it by pressing enter. You can check Python 3.10 module doc 64-bit from here. It will show installation file folder definitions. In the Windows menu bar, write Python 3.10 and open the Python command shell. Python also has a command line interpreter that works similarly to Python IDLE. Let's print Hello World in the command line. Open CMD and check your Python version by write command Python ---- version. You can check the pip version by write command pip -V. I hope this was helpful and you were successfully able to download and install Python on Windows.